In this video, I will walk you through every step from starting a Squarespace trial to choosing a design and customizing your homepage. You don't need any coding skills. This is perfect for complete beginners. First, go to squarespace.com, click on Get Started. Squarespace will ask you a few questions like what kind of website you want to make. Then you will choose between Blueprint or a pre-designed template. I will select a template in this video, but Blueprint is also a great option if you are going to start from scratch. Squarespace offers dozens of beautiful templates. Don't stress too much, all templates have the same features. Focus on the layout and style you like. You can customize everything later like text, images, color, even pages structure. Now it's time to sign up. You can use Google, Apple, or enter your email and password to create your account. This starts your free 14-day trial and you don't need a credit card. You will now enter the Squarespace website builder. This is your main dashboard. On the left, you have everything you need like pages, design, settings, an option for email campaigns and online tools. The middle shows your live preview. You can click edit to start customizing your homepage. Now you are ready to start editing. Click on your homepage, click edit. Here you can change text, drag blocks, upload your own images, and much more. Just click on any element to change it. You can also add new sections or drag things around to make it your own. For example, if I want to change the navigation bar settings, then I will simply click on it. Let's start with the site title. If I click on it, it will show me the site title right here, and you can simply edit it. Or if you want to add your logo, then you can also add it here, and for the mobile version you can use this part. And for the navigation area, you can simply click on it and it will show you all the pages right here. You can change the layout setting, or if you want to see all the pages, then you can click on show pages. Right here you can see the main navigation, and these are the pages which are not linked yet. If I drag and drop it right here, it will show me my home page right down. But if you don't want to show it to the public, you can simply put it in the not linked area. This section basically used when our website is under development and we want to create our pages, and then when it's completed we can simply put it in the main navigation. Now the next section is styles. It's basically used when you want to change your color, font settings, buttons, fonts, etc. And the next section is asset library, where you can upload your images or create a new folder. And in SEO tab, you can see the analytics and completion score, that how many pages are done with the metadata and how many are optimized with the alt tags, which are basically your keywords. And if your target is to sell online, then product and services section, you will find everything you need. In products, you can add physical, digital, or service-based products. In order section, you can manage customer purchases, and in discount section, you could create coupon codes or sales, and selling tools are just for set of payment methods and shipping. And if you want to create a premium content just for your private community, then Squarespace lets you create members only pages and charge just for access. In scheduling section, let clients book appointments, coaching sessions, or classes right from your website with built-in scheduling tools. And for donation, it's perfect for non-profit organization or creators. You can add a donation block to collect funds securely. Invoicing is for send branded invoices to client directly from your website. This is ideal for service provider and freelancer. And in email campaigns, if you want to create your email list and send professional newsletters, then this section is for you. The contact section is where you manage your email subscribers and customers. You can organize them into lists and segments, which is great for sending targeted email, managing clients, or tracking leads. It's worked beautifully with Squarespace built-in email campaign features. Analytics sections gives you access to visitor data, traffic sources, top content, device type, and much more, all in easy to read charts. You can also connect Google Analytics for even deeper insights. Finance section help you track your earning from online sales, donations, services, or memberships. Everything is displayed in one place, no spreadsheet needed. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident about starting your Squarespace website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.